Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Aquilaresources. Today, we're addressing a pressing concern for those in the UK dealing with less than ideal credit scores, guaranteed approval credit cards for bad credit in the UK. In this video, we'll dive into what these cards are, how they work, eligibility criteria, and most importantly, our top 5 picks for the best guaranteed approval credit cards for bad credit in the UK. Stick around because we've got some valuable insights to share. Let's start with the basics. A credit card for bad credit is specifically designed for individuals who may have struggled with their credit history, making it difficult to qualify for traditional credit cards. These cards can be a lifeline to rebuild your credit. Next things, let's understand what guaranteed approval credit cards are. These cards are specifically designed for individuals with poor or no credit history. They provide a higher likelihood of approval, even if you've had credit issues in the past. Now, what exactly are guaranteed approval credit cards for bad credit in the UK? These are credit cards that, as the name suggests, offer a guaranteed approval process, regardless of your credit history. They provide an opportunity for those with poor or no credit to access credit and work on improving their financial standing. But before you get too excited, let's discuss eligibility criteria for these cards. While they guarantee approval, there are still some requirements to meet. We'll break down what you need to qualify in this segment. An excellent credit score can sometimes qualify borrowers for guaranteed acceptance credit cards. Applicants with poor credit scores might have a more difficult time applying. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Our top 5 picks for guaranteed approval credit cards for bad credit in the UK. Our first recommendation is the Vanquis Bank Credit Card. It's tailored for those with a less than perfect credit history. With responsible use, it can help you rebuild your credit score over time. Next up is the Barclaycard Initial Credit Card. It's an excellent choice for those looking to improve their credit rating. Plus, it offers manageable credit limits to help you stay on track with your finances. Moving on to the Aqua Classic Credit Card. This card is specifically designed for people with poor credit. It comes with features like manageable credit limits and regular credit limit reviews. The One Classic Platinum Mastercard is another option worth considering. While it's designed for people with less than perfect credit, it offers features like cashback rewards, making it a valuable choice. Lastly, let's talk about the Amigo Secured Credit Card. Unlike the other cards on this list, it's a secured credit card, which means it requires a security deposit. However, it offers a guaranteed approval process and can help you rebuild your credit when used responsibly. Remember, while these cards provide a second chance at building credit, responsible use is key. Make on-time payments, keep your balances low, and avoid maxing out your credit limit to see significant improvements in your credit score. With so many options, how do you choose the right card for your specific needs and financial situation? We've got some tips to help you make an informed decision. The following tips will help you choose a credit card that offers guaranteed approval. You may be offered a lower interest rate and fees if you have a high credit score. Before applying, you should know how much the card will cost. You must understand the repayment terms and fees involved. Your credit score may be damaged if you apply for fewer cards quickly. Lastly, let's talk about the benefits of using a guaranteed approval credit card for bad credit. These cards can help you rebuild your credit, manage unexpected expenses, and gain access to the financial tools you need to move forward. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to guaranteed approval credit cards for bad credit in the UK. If you're looking to improve your credit score or simply need access to credit, these cards could be your solution. Remember, responsible use is key to achieving financial success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Aquilaresources for more valuable financial insights. If you have any questions or experiences to share with these credit cards, please leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.